Hello students, today I am going to start new topic, that is adjective. So today we will study about what is an adjective and what are the different kinds of adjective. Okay, so let's start the topic. So adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, they live in a beautiful house. So house is a noun and beautiful is a adjective. So now come to the second point of adjective, that is attributive adjective. Attributive adjectives are placed before the noun. Okay. For example, the elephant is a large animal. So large is the attributive adjective and animal is a noun. Okay. Now come to the third point of adjective, that is predicative adjectives. Predicative adjectives are placed after the verb as a complement in a sentence. For example, this house is empty. So is the verb and empty is your predicative adjective. Okay. So in attributive adjective placed before the noun and in predicative adjective placed after the verb. Okay, so don't be confused. So now come to the kinds of adjective. So first kind is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tells us quality of a person or thing. Okay, they are honest, crispy, beautiful, interesting, etc. So honest, crispy, beautiful, interesting, these all are showing the quality of a person. Okay, quality of a person or anything. For example, she has enough money to enjoy the fair. So here enough is the adjective of quality. It's showing the quality of a person. Okay, quality of a person. Now come to the second kind of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells us about the amount of uncountable thing. They are any, little, some, so, many, etc. So these all things are shows the quantity. Okay. For example, I ate some rice today. So here rice is the uncountable thing and some is the adjective of quantity. Now come to the third kind, that is adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us how many or order a person or thing stand. They are 8, 1, many, few, all, etc. For example, there are 10 students in the classroom. Second example, Saturday is the last day of the week. So here 10 and last is shows the number. Okay, it shows the number, or you can say that order of a person. Okay. So student, now come to the fourth kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective to point out a person or thing. They are these, that, these, those. These all are the demonstrative adjective. For example, these plays music. Second example, those games are difficult. So these and those are the demonstrative adjective. Okay. So now come to the fifth kind of adjective, that is interrogative adjective. As you all know that interrogative adjective used to ask question. They are which, whose, what, etc. For example, which seat do you prefer? So this one is the interrogative adjective. So now come to the sixth kind of adjective, that is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives show possession to someone or something. They are my, your, his, her, its, our, their and whose. These all are shows the possession. Okay, possession means owning or controlling something. For example, our bus is late today, so our is a possessive adjective. Okay, so that is for today. Thank you.